Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am walking you through the complete process of downloading and installing the latest version of Primavera P6 on your system, from sourcing the correct installer to getting the software ready for your first project schedule. If you work in construction, engineering, or any built environment discipline, planning and scheduling software is not optional. It is core infrastructure. Primavera P6 remains industry standard for project controls on complex programs, from EPC contracts to infrastructure mega projects, because it handles multiple project resource loading, critical path analysis, and end value tracking at a scale that spreadsheets simply cannot match. Whether you are a planning engineer, a quantity surveyor tracking program against cost, or a project manager reporting progress to a client, fluency in P6 is often baseline requirement, not a differentiator. This tutorial is built for anyone setting up Primavera P6 for the first time. Whether you are a student building your CV, a professional switching from Microsoft project, or someone reinstalling after a system upgrade, I will cover where to get the legitimate copy of the software, the system requirements you need to check before installing, and the installation steps themselves. So at the end of this video, you have a working installation ready for your next big move. If this is useful for you, stay to the end and let's get straight into it. So the first thing to do is to come to your browser and type Primavera e-delivery. So the first link to pop up is the official website of Oracle e-delivery. So you click on it. Once it's open, we are assuming you don't have an account yet. So you come to create an account, but I already have an account, so I'm going to walk you through the two processes. So you click on create account, so you fill in all your details here and you agree and you press create an account. So a link is going to be sent to your email address. You verify, you follow the link and you verify your account and you log in back. So I already told you I have an account, so I'm going to sign in. So after you might have signed in, this tab is going to pop up. So you come to this point, all category, and you click download package. So we are going to be searching for the type of software we need. So we are going to be inputting Primavera P6 project management, so professional project management. We click on it. So you click on the latest version, and the latest version here is 25.12.0.0.0. You click on it. So it has been added to the queue. So you come to this point, you continue. So you make sure all of these are checked. What you need to do is to make sure this is going to automatically detect your laptop. This is a Windows laptop. So you click continue. So you're going to read all these. This is the license agreement. You tick and you continue. Now make sure all of these are checked. So I click download. Now I'm going to be selecting where I want my software to go. So it's going to my desktop. I'll save. So you come to your download, you open the file, you double click. And this is going to pop up. You ensure the location is right. You click next. So it's going to download all the required software. So you come to this point and you see open destination. So this is the destination. So you click the first one, you unzip that. So you click on this. This is where you have your setup. You unzip this also. So you need to do is to run this as admin. Yes. So you select the typical installation model. You press OK. Install. Yes. So you allow it to run for a while. So you take run database configuration. Okay. It's going to open this. So you come here and select P6 Professional Standalone SQLite, and you select New Standalone Next. So as default, most of us will use admin as our password. You can use whatsoever you like. Admin. And you ensure you're going to select what you want, any of the symbol or the type of currency of the country you are using. You click next. You press save and OK. So I'll just cancel this. My installation is complete. So let me search for Primavera. Okay, I have this now, P6 Professional. I'll click on it. So don't forget to use admin as our password. So let me connect. At this point, you have the official Primavera P6 installed on your system, and you can use it in any of your projects moving forward. That's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. You're welcome.